This guide shows how to buy shares of RCM Beteiligungs AG, ticker RCMN.de, a Germany-based industrial holding that trades on Xetra. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy the stock, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker RCMN.de to locate the correct listing. Double-check the result shows RCM Beteiligungs AG on Xetra before you proceed. On the asset page, you will find basic company information and a price chart to review recent movement. Confirm the company name and ticker match to ensure this is the correct share. Tap or click the Buy or Trade button, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and any fees before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio view. If you want to follow the same steps, the link to eToro is in the description below.